The land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Love the French answer, but I don't know that I love you, and I know that if you love me too, what a wonderful world this could be. Now I don't claim to be an A student, but I'm trying to be. For maybe being an A student, baby, I could win your love for me. Don't know much about history, don't know much biology, don't know much about a science book, don't know much about the French I took.
Quite a few. Captain, what is the stuff that you love?
Ships work, we keep them up.
Ships and work.
Yeah.
And what have you drawn from it?
We talk to them nicely.
You talk to them nicely?
Exactly.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Yes, perfectly.
And one patient was sitting, always looking forward to come every day, and every time I'd go and do my rounds, I have to explain it's not today because she keep apologizing. Can you apologize to the young people that I didn't come?
Yeah, we had some of the patients were really agitated when they were in the ward. So by the time they've been to this workshop, it's really helped them to calm them down. Mm-hmm. The agitation was really low.
And you just have to look at them as soon as they're coming for here, they see you sing. It's just that happiness. It's not massive smile, but you can see the facial expression changing. They become brighter.
And most of the time it's like, yeah, how you feel? Do you have any pain? That's it. That's the conversation or the chat that they can have. And out of the blue, going in a group and say, hey, hello, tell me who you are. Tell me about your past. That's different for the patient, and that's giving some kind of power to them.
Part of this very sad, very commemorative occasion for us, the final script for our final show.